According to the National Electrical Code, an electric motor-driven air compressor package is considered utilization equipment or an appliance. The National Electrical Code Article 100 defines utilization equipment as equipment, devices, and systems that utilize electric energy for electronic, electromechanical, chemical, heating, lighting, or similar purposes. Air compressors are devices that use electrical energy to compress air for various applications. They are primarily used to provide pressurized air for pneumatic tools, machinery, or other processes. The function of an air compressor is similar to that of other utilization equipment, such as refrigerators, ovens, and washing machines. However, there may be exceptions to this classification in certain cases. Firstly, if the air compressor is an integral part of an industrial process and is used for specific manufacturing or production purposes, it may be considered industrial machinery. Secondly, if the air compressor is used in a hazardous location, it may be subject to additional requirements outlined in National Electrical Code Article 500. In general, for most applications, an electric motor-driven air compressor package is considered utilization equipment or an appliance by the National Electrical Code.